Hello everybody and welcome to the Combustion Clinic. Today it's a bit of an exciting day for me. We're putting on the Stelvio wheels and I can also show you what we fitted just last week. Let's get it. The famous garage. Now I can assume by this, I think you know what's coming. So the idea is I'm going to get those coated tonight and then I can give you the final reveal of what this car looks like on all fours now it's lowered. Now just whilst I can, got those calipers on there. Just at the top we've got the KW springs. I know it's going to be difficult to see. Yeah, it sits really nice. Of course, Continental Sport Contact 7s. It's their new top tyre, I suppose, their ultra high performance tyre. So, so far so good. Like you say, they are brand new, so I have no idea what these look like. But yeah, let's crack on. So what is step one? Well, first thing we're going to want to do is grab the panel wipe. This is going to remove all the old oils, polishes, sealants that might have been used. I mean, these are brand new wheels, but even still, best practice, get some panel wipe on them. That way we can make sure that the coating will bond properly. Got two cloths, got a wet one, got a dry one just to make sure. And then we're on to coating. Remember, do not forget to glove up. Grab the wheel, get the panel wipe. You're just gonna dust that over the face. Dust that over the barrel. And then we can start wiping it down. I'm gonna grab ourselves one of these lint-free pads. They actually come with the Gtechniq kit. Again, quite a good investment. They're shit, but they're there. That's for sure. That's for sure. Crack open the bottle. What I'm going to do is just get the pad. And I'm just going to soak it in quite nicely. Obviously, I've got to do the whole wheel, and I do not want to go back to it. So, leaving plenty in that bottle. What I'm going to do is just start feeding out to the spokes because they're most important. Really difficult to see what the hell is actually happening. Probably going to say maybe that's enough time. So they don't feel that smooth. I must admit that. Right, so I'm going to flip it over and do the barrel. So yeah, it's been pretty easy so far. I've just stripped the calipers of any oils because yeah, we're going to ceramic coat those whilst they're off. So I'm basically going to give you a run through of what we've done. So I've done the other side. Might as well show you whilst I'm here. There's the other side. Can't really tell in this light, but yeah, done the calipers, and they're looking beautiful. It's actually quite an easy ceramic to use. This I was really surprised because I did think it would be a bit tricky, but you can let it cure for literally up to a minute, which is really good. And just to give you an indication, I've done 2 coats on each wheel, and that's pretty much how much I've got left when it focuses. So I've got probably just enough to do this side, and then probably gonna have to call it a day after that. But yes, so far so good. Kind of wish I got a bigger one so I could be a bit more generous on the calipers and give them 2 coats. But since the rears are pretty butchered anyway, because of the previous owner using wheel acid on their, on their calipers, they have been wrecked. So yeah, time for me to resurrect these ones and yeah, get them underway. So that's pretty much the basics on how I'm ceramic coating the wheels. I'm just going to crack on and do the others because it's really boring just to watch. And yeah, I'm going to show you the final result as soon as it rolls out of here. So guys, that's pretty much that. This is the Giulia Quadrifoglio, all finished and ready for the EuroTour this year. So it's got the lowering springs on, it's got the Continental tyres on, and also the Stelvio Quadrifoglio wheels. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think it looks absolutely amazing, but I'll let you be the decider. Please drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more where this came from. Billy's just picked up his F80 M3, so there'll be plenty of videos coming with that one. But for now, she's ready for the EuroTour. I'll catch up with you in the next video.